Good morning. This is the 5th day of married life, and I want to share to you my simple breakfast. Please watch. Let's go. These are my ingredients. We have the salmon, onion, spinach, grated spinach, and scrambled egg. Yeah, I already prepared everything here. You can see here it's seasoned already. So let's cook. And also I use the olive oil for my cooking oil. And don't worry about this, I already put some simple seasoning like pepper, salt, and garlic salt. Let's start. Okay, let's pour the olive oil for my salmon. Let's salmon. Okay, salmon. How is it again? How to say it again? Salmon.
You don't pronounce the L. I know the L is there, but you don't really pronounce it.
Okay. We learn about the pronunciation of, instead of salmon, we can say salmon. Welcome. Oh, exactly. Perfect. Let's cook now. Let's cook. Can you hear that? Simmering with the oilness. Let's wait until it turns brown. I'll just cook the salmon. There you go. While the salmon is still frying, we will cut the loaf bread that we baked yesterday. My husband baked this one and it's really good. I want you to see. Loaf bread. Made from scratch, and then we will toast it. Let's cut it now. Let's start. Decided to have 2 loaf bread para daw less carbs. Tama naman, diba? Okay, the salmon is almost cooked. Oh, it's already cooked. Look at this. Dark brown salmon. Okay, let's grate this one. I'm gonna put it here para ma-absorb niya yung excess oil to avoid oily food for healthy lifestyle. Which oil is not healthy?
Canola oil. I mean, you said that was olive oil.
Yeah, this is an olive oil.
Olive oil is good, the oil.
Okay.
But the only unhealthy is like maybe like the seed oils, like the canola oil. The seed oils.
Okay.
But like coconut oil, olive oil, like those are good, healthy oils.
Okay, so I need to can I remove the tissue now? Okay, so no more absorbing oil, so let's throw this tissue. Okay, what's all about fats?
Well, the only thing besides the seed oils, the only thing bad about fats is that it's just a little bit extra calories. Or fats are more calories than proteins are. So that's the only thing. It's but as far as health goes, they're really pretty healthy.
Yeah, depends on the oil.
Yeah.
The kind of oil.
Except for seed oil.
Okay.
Like canola or like sunflower seed oil or like those types.
Okay, that's nice. Educational knowledge. Let's make the salmon spinach omelette. Let's go. Let's start with the onion. Ooh, can you hear that? Hinalo ko na kasi. Ito yung onion. Diba? Kasi gusto kong magtipid ng mga hugasin, kaya hinalo ko yung onion din sa spinach. Ganun lang. Strategy ba? Charis. Ito na. Iyan ako na. Gisa ko tong sibuyas para masarap. Ginamit ko pala ni-reuse ko yung oil na pinagprituhan ko ng salmon. Walang L yun, salmon. Lagyan natin tong salmon. Wow, 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 wow. Lagyan din natin ang ating spinach. Diba? Very healthy. Hindi ko masyadong lulutuin yung veggie para andun pa rin yung mga minerals and healthy, I don't know, healthy things inside the vegetables. Sabi na wag mo daw lutuin masyado yung vegetables para andun pa rin yung mga vitamins and minerals. So, ayan, nangangamoy na siya. Ang bango-bango. And then let's put the scrambled egg. I'm excited to eat this. Mix. Let's mix our delicious omelette. Very delicious, very healthy. Now let's start to toast the bread. Dun, 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 dun. Where is the... Okay, here it is.
Okay, so takeaways about marriage. Marriage isn't about perfection, it's about growing together every day. Even the simplest moments, cooking breakfast, correcting each other's pronunciation, choosing healthier habits, and sharing a meal can strengthen your relationship. Love is found in everyday acts of kindness, patience, encouragement, and laughter. It's the little things that often become the biggest memories. A happy marriage is built one ordinary day at a time. Once again, this is Kyle and Veronica Johnson vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Let's eat and have a good day. Thank you.